So Jeff,
Yeah.
what are the three major groupings you can have in information gathering?
Hmm.
A, passive footprinting.
Okay.
B, active footprinting or scanning. C, enumeration. Or D, footprinting.
Well, again, I'm finding that it's more like which is the wrong answer. So I don't think it's D. So I'm going to say A, B, and C are correct.
You've got it.
Yay.
The first two steps in information gathering is otherwise known as passive footprinting, and the next four steps are otherwise known as active footprinting or scanning. Enumeration is the third group, where you prepare the security map of the target network. We have classified footprinting into two categories based on how it is used.
All right, so you threw a question to me. I'm going to throw a question at you.
Okay.
Are you ready? What information is gathered during passive footprinting? Is it A, initial information about the organization is collated, kind of business it does, organization, partners, people, etc., things like that? Is it B, who is database queried to get the network IP addresses? Is it C, network and systems are scanned to collect information about networks and ports? Or is it D, we use banner grabbing to know the services running?
I don't think it's C or D, so I'm going to go with A and B.
Well done. Wow, smart. You can gather initial information about the organization. It could be about the organization structure. It could be on the nature of business or the key contacts. Who is database is queried to get the IP address range, operating system, etc. You knew that. You will not be detected in either of these cases.
So networks and system are not scanned during the passive footprinting stage, nor will banner grabbing be used.
Yeah, you got that.
These are considered active footprinting.
Yeah.